Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important definition of economics according to Adam Smith. Adam Smith economics definition with explanation. Adam Smith 1723 to 1790 is considered the father of modern economics and is widely recognized for his contributions to the field of economics. Smith was a Scottish economist, philosopher, and author of The Wealth of Nations. His book name is The Wealth of Nations, 1776. He wrote this book, which is widely regarded as the first comprehensive work on economics. In his book, Smith introduced the concept of the invisible hand, which refers to the idea that the market is self-regulating and that the pursuit of self-interest by individuals and businesses leads to an efficient allocation of resources and economic growth. According to Smith, the market is guided by the invisible hand, which ensures that the economy is efficient and that goods or services are produced and distributed in the most cost effective way possible. Smith also introduced the concept of comparative advantage, which states that countries should specialize in the production of goods and services in which they have a lower opportunity cost than other countries. This principle helps to explain why countries should trade with one another, as it results in greater efficiency and a higher standard of living for all countries involved. Overall, Adam Smith's contributions to economics have had a lasting impact on the field and have shaped modern economic through and policy. His idea continue to influence economists, policymakers, and business leaders around the world.